Friends, welcome to my channel Ripples on Road. I am at Lokmanya Tilak Terminus and today I am going to Kerala. So friends, this is my coach G10 and mine is 57. So 57 is here. This is my 67 here. Mine is lower berth. The locomotive WAP. W means wide, A means AC and P means passenger. If you are traveling, if you are not having a berth and if you sit and go 27 hours, it's very difficult. So friends, for a better video quality, what I am doing is, this is my 57 and I am sitting here. I am cleaning the glass so that I get a very good quality of video for you guys. Friends, the train has started right time. That is 4:45 and we are leaving Mumbai now. Friends, I am having butter tawada and chai tea. Tea is 10 rupees. This I brought from home. Took this is a drink, Kokum. If you know Kokum, that's a Kokum drink. It's red in color. Oh, there's a cow here. Just now I saw the cow. Yes. The cow on the railway station here. So friends, I'm on a new adventure. I'm leaving for Kerala and Kanyakumari to meet a very old friend, but I don't know whether I'll be able to meet. So I'm in a tuk-tuk, we call it auto rickshaw, and heading towards the railway station. This is the Western Express Highway and I am on my way to the station. Chalo, Danya. So we have reached Lokmanya Tilak Terminus and my train is at 4:45. So we have reached. Just took at least it took about 50 minutes from my house. So friends, now I have to go to the station. I have only few luggage. I took my dinner also tonight and my snack for the evening. So we go to the station now. And friends, welcome to my channel Ripples on Road. I am at Lokmanya Tilak Terminus and today I am going to Kerala and it's more than 27-hour journey from Mumbai to Kerala. And I hope you will love this. So join me in this adventure. And not only I'll be visiting, I'm going for a wedding, but also I'll be going for sightseeing of many places over there. So thanks for watching. You will love this small video. My train has already reached, and this is my train. It's already here. And earlier the Garib Rath color was green. Now there's a new coach. So I like it now. So friends, this is my coach G10 and mine is 57. So 57 is here. Let me go inside now. Here they store the bedding. So mine is 57. So this is mine 67 here. Mine is lower berth. So this is a 3-tier coach. That means there are 3 beds. So the person who is down will sleep here. Then the person in 58. So mine is 57. So I'll be down. As a senior citizen, you get. I'm 60 above, so usually I get a down. Then 58. This guy will sleep here. It will come like this. So he will sleep here. We just tie this down. No. And then 59 is this. So here they have a socket here. You have a reading light. So there's a reading light here. There is a night lamp. The night lamp here. That's a So that's the night lamp. Then this fluorescent lamp. That's the fluorescent lamp. There is here also fluorescent lamp. That's the fluorescent lamp over here. Switch it off because daytime you don't need it. So you have a pillow. You have bed sheets here. Now this is my bed sheet here. There are two bed sheets in this. You can see what's written, Southern Railway. So this has come from Thiruvananthapuram, that is the capital where the train goes. So two bed sheets, one nice pillow, very clean, very nice pillow, and a blanket. So they provide all this. So there is a blanket also. You put the bed sheet, you put the blanket, you put a bed sheet on that. Usually I don't use the blanket, and then a pillow. So like this you get all this three. I mean, it's included in the price. Then what I'll show, there is a socket here, and this is for mobile holder. This side, if you see, there is a vent. This is an AC vent for the middle. This is for me, the down one, and for the upper one. So there is a vent over there. Then if you are on the side berth, so you'll be sleeping here. There are two people there, 1, 2. So this becomes a chair like this. So you will be sitting here. When you want to sleep, you just put it down. And they have a reading light here. Here also there's a reading light. You have a switch over here, a bottle holder. For us, for me, the bottle holder is here down. Here, it's here. So for my mobile holder is here, a bottle holder is here. It's all broken because it's made of plastic. And this is the window here. There's a blind here. So suppose if I want to close it in the night time, so they have placed a blind here. Friend, this is our locomotive. So nowadays you have electrification. So earlier, about 3-4 years back, there was no electrification. There was a diesel locomotive. Now what you see is electric one. So there's an electric locomotive now. WAP7, that is 7,000 horsepower. This is the locomotive. WAP. W means wide, A means AC, and P means passenger. So this Gomo. This locomotive is from Gomo. And here is the name of the train. It's called Garib Rath Express. So train managers, and here is the sitting. So, but this is very difficult. If you go sitting, if you are traveling, if you are not having a berth, and if you sit and go 27 hours, it's very difficult. But comfortable, air condition. So this is the sitting. There are 3 coaches for sitting. There are 3 coaches here. Here's the toilet here. It's all Biofit. Now here starts the sleeper coach. So G16, that means the 16 sleeper coach, 3 sitting coach, chair car, that is 19, power generator 20, and there is a power generator backside. So 21. So 21 coaches and a locomotive. So mine is G10. So this is how it looks, the railway station. Lokmanya, it's clean. There's another locomotive going there. So that's from Gujarat, Vatwa. Let me buy some cold drink here. अरे नींबू सही क्या?
नींबू में कुछ नहीं है, लेमन में
लेमन में पल्पी ऑरेंज
नहीं, पल्पी ऑरेंज वो ऑरेंज का है। सो नो ही डजंट हैव। सोडा भी नहीं है ना?
जीरो ले लो, जीरो।
जीरो नहीं, नहीं जीरो नहीं, बहुत मीठा है रे। नहीं नहीं, आई डिडंट गेट इट। आई शुड हैव गॉट सोडा फ्रॉम माय हाउस, plain soda, because all the drinks are sugar. I avoid that, but if there is no option, I drink it. So now I'll go to another stall there. Other stall may get something. I saw something there. Let me check whether I'll get something lemon. Lemon is good for health. So here you get many things. See, samosa, vada, kachori. That's called kachori, and this is bread pakoda. Lot of biscuits. Let me see what cold drink I get here. Take some lemon from here. I got this for 40 rupees because he doesn't have a lemon. He has many other things. Wanted, I didn't get. I got limca. That's okay. It's so thirsty, very hot. Now let me get into my coach. I won't come down now. So there is a fire extinguisher hammer to break the glass, and it's an Indian style. Nice, clean, very clean. There's an Indian style here, so it's good. Very clean. And this is the Western style here. Western style, the lid has come down, but overall it's very clean. This is how the toilet looks, and here is our berth. So friend, for a better video quality, what I am doing is, this is my 57 and I am sitting here. I am cleaning the glass so that I get a very good quality of video for you guys. See how dirty it is. A very good quality of video then. See, no one is doing it. All are looking at me what I am doing. See, it's so dirty. Because dust, India, lot of dust. And I don't throw it out. I just put it in a dustbin here. Just have a wash. There is a dispenser. No, there's no soap. But there's a nice water hose. Here there's another train over there. I go to my place. No one has come yet. No one has come yet. Now see the glass. It's very clean. This train has just arrived, and this has come from Trivandrum. So it's same it's a Netravati Express, and we are going to Trivandrum. So Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Trivandrum is Thiruvananthapuram. That's the capital of Kerala. So we are traveling by this to Kerala, but I'll be getting down at Tiruvalla and then taking a bus to Trivandrum. This train doesn't go to the main station, Central, and my accommodation is very close to the station. So I'm taking a bus from, because earlier I booked the train from Mumbai to Tiruvalla. So I'll get down at Tiruvalla, take a bus from there to Trivandrum. The bus journey is about 3 hours. And that train has just arrived from Trivandrum, Kerala. Friends, the train has started right time. That is 4:45. And we are leaving Mumbai now. So what you see here, they are all parcels. So that has just arrived from that train, from the luggage compartment they are removing. And this is Lokmanya Tilak terminus. We are leaving now. Now we are connecting to the suburban line. So that's the station over there.
friends, I'm having batata vada and chai tea. So tea is 10 rupees. This I brought from home. It's a famous batata vada. It's prepared by my wife. So this is chai and a lot of batata vadas. So this train, because the air conditioned, there is some panels here, air conditioned panels. And what I saw is there's a camera here. They have cameras here. First time I'm seeing a camera in a train. These guys are distributing food here. And this is the bhel. So friends, now it is 9:50. So we started at 4:45. Now it's 9:50. That's my train here. Everyone is sleeping. I'm awake. 9:50 people are sleeping, man. It's getting 10 now. 9:50, and there is a signal. The train is moving on this side. Actually, the train is moving this side. So there's another train which is coming. That's why they stopped this here. Let me find some water. I'll get some water. This station has an underground passage. I think it is Chiplun. Huh? I think so. Let me check. I go to the shop and buy some water for me. Guy is showing green signal. And the station is Chiplun. I had a doubt that station is Chiplun. So I wanted water from here, but the train has started. So maybe, and the next station is at 11:30. So this is Chiplun station, my friend's place. So Anand Dige, if you're watching, Veda, so they're my colleagues. They worked in bank. I had been here. So Anand Dige and Veda, if you're watching, this is your station here. It's carrying the water bottles and some cold drink. There's a doggy here. Chiplun station. And the weather is good, huh? It's cool here, very cool. That's the station, Chiplun. Nice weather, but very cool. So bye bye Chiplun. Bye bye Chiplun. Friends, we have reached Ratnagiri and the train is 10 minutes late. It should have reached here 11:30, but now it's 11:40, so 10 minutes late. Going to buy some water from this guy. अरे पानी देना सर एक बार. वड़ा पाव दे देना. ठंडा है क्या? ठंडा है क्या? ठंडा है क्या? नहीं है. So, bottle of water, 15 rupees. I took this. This is a drink, Kokum. If you know Kokum, that's a Kokum drink. It's red in color. So the train has not yet started. So better I go back because my coach is G10. So here G12. So 11 and then 10. It's night now, getting 11:45. Yeah, it's getting 11:45. So any time now the train may start. So this is our train, our coach. So
Our coach S10. So that's our coach S10. There's a cow here. Oh, there's a cow here. Just now I saw the cow. So there's a cow on the railway station here.
So I'm having a special drink, Coca. Really good. It's good for health, but not night time. When it's very hot, you have to drink it. Now it's chilled here today. This guy is selling vada pav. Night, getting 12 and he's selling vada pav.
It's getting 12. The train is still waiting. So I was thirsty. I went and brought this Appy Fizz. This is an apple drink with fizz. So this cost me 40 rupees. So the train is still waiting. So at last our train started at 12:03. So it's about 25 minutes late. About 25 minutes late now. So we are leaving the station. I'm going to sleep. It's 12 o'clock, 12:05. So see you tomorrow and see you in my next video. So thanks for watching. If you don't like my videos, please do share and like it. Thanks very much. So good night everyone. See you tomorrow in the morning.